This manicure just needs to go in your album. Here's your very own album, where all of the manicures you've already designed are saved. Hi, welcome to Hello Kitty's Nail Salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll earn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge in Match This? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's Nail Salon, you can become the best nail designer. Change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. So, what's the latest trend in nail polish color? Choose the color you want to use from the tray. Use your finger to brush it on the nail.
This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack.
You can change the size of your brush to what pattern inspires you today.
This old man, he played two.
Tap on a pattern in the tray to use it on your nails. Now to make it super cute by adding a character. Drag the character you want onto your nail, anywhere you like. Now to add some final touches. Gorgeous! Let's keep going.
This old man, he played four. He played knick-knack on my door with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Knick-knack on my hive with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played six. He played knick-knack on my sticks with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played seven. He played knick-knack up in heaven with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played eight.
I love it! On to the next nail.
With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played nine. He played knick-knack on my spine with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played ten. He played knick-knack once again with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home.
you've already designed are saved.